Hey there, welcome to our channel Techies Guru. On today's tutorial, I'll guide you how you can log in into the lowest credit card online. For that, simply you need to open up any web browser on your device. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you can get notified about the further uploads on our channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Once you open the web browser, on the URL, you need to type in lowest.syf.account/login and press enter in the keyboard, and you'll be accessed to this page where you need to access your account by entering a user ID. And on the second option here is the password option. Simply you need to enter your password here. If you want to recheck your password, then simply you need to click on the so to recheck your password. And if you don't remember your password, then simply you need to click on I forgot my user ID or password link, and you can easily recover from there. If you want the system of remembering the credential here, then you need to click on the checkbox that says remember user ID, and after doing all these steps you simply need to click on secure login, and you can secure the login and easily log in into the lowest credit card account. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button and don't forget to leave the comment on the comment section and subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell for the further uploads on the channel. Thank you.